Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by In the Money Stocks. My name is Nick Santiago. Today is January 28, 2015. Stock I'm looking at right now for a potential swing trade is going to be Procter Gamble. Right now the stock is trading at $86.27. It has been falling, fell off this big bearish pattern. So where would we look to buy this stock? That is the question that everyone is asking, including myself. So what I do is I go to the charts and I look at sometimes the bigger time frame. And right off the bat, I isolate a level right here where the stock was putting in a little bit of a base. Right here is where the stock put in a little bit of a pivot. And I realized that most of these consumer discretionary plays, Clorox, Procter Gamble, Kimberly-Clark, and companies like that, they've been falling on the back of the stronger U.S. dollar. And that is not going to end anytime soon. So you really want to go to the chart and find a desirable level. And one level that I did isolate was a move down to around 81.70, 81.60. And I'm just going to put that line in the chart so you can see where I'm looking. And what I'm doing here is I'm basically looking at the chart and I'm seeing where this stock is going to fall and where it's going to find support. And when I look right here, this is what we call a test bar candle. And I'm just going to scroll it up and you're going to see this candle right here going back to the week of October 13th. That low right there was 81.57. And that's generally when you get this kind of a pattern, you get a wide range sell-off bar with this kind of momentum. That's telling you where this is ultimately going to go. That's not going to go down there, maybe not tomorrow, but in due time you should see this level get tested right around 81.60, 81.70, and I think that's where traders can safely step into Procter & Gamble to the long side. Now, how big of a bounce could you get on a stock like that? Well, a stock at 80, when the stock gets down to 81, it could easily trade back up to 85 and then ultimately $90. Now, remember the U.S. dollar index is very, very strong right now, so the dollar should be strong for the foreseeable future. So you would just look for this as a trading play, maybe for a week or maybe even 2 weeks. But all in all, once you get into the profits by a couple bucks, you move your stop into the money. But this is a desirable level for Procter & Gamble. Watch this one right around 81.60, 81.70. That's where I would look to step into the stock, not before then. With that being said, everybody, here's today's trade lesson. Hope you enjoyed Live Trading Action by In the Money Stocks. We'll see you on the charts.